Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Are you guys getting ready for the snowstorm here in Jersey? But I just wanted to leave you guys with this. When you guys get online and you decide to make all of your content about somebody that you don't know, just because you don't like them or you have an ill intention towards them, I need you guys to take a page out of the DL Whisperer's book. He's locked up for aggravated cyber stalking. For months and months, he made videos about T.S. Madison. For months and months, whatever. Pulled up at that girl's house. All types of shit. T.L. Madison ignored him. Now listen, T.S. Madison. Now listen, I like some of the DL Whisperer's content. Some of it's controversial, but some of it's okay. But I say this to you guys to say, when you guys get online and you bully content creators who are bigger machines than you, who are whatever, and you don't know those people from a can of paint, you don't know their personal life, you only know what somebody's telling you, just be mindful of this. Y'all be leaving a paper trail of aggravated stalking.